Yeah, what up YouTube? What up YouTube? Welcome back. Welcome back. It's a very long damn, damn. Waiting for 16:30 is actually such a drag, bro. No, I'm not even joking, bro. Waiting for 16:30 is such a drag. It's such a drag. I feel like we'd be missing so much when we wait for 16:30. But I just feel like I'm not comfortable with the London session yet. I will get to trading the London session, but I just feel like let me just take time and master one thing at a time. Right now, I think I'm really onto something with these New York session 16:30 trades. So for now, I'm going to be focusing my attention on that, and then eventually we will get back to what is this thing? Eventually, we will get time and revisit um the London session. The London session. So, like I said on the weekend, that I'm gonna be clearing my charts. So I tried my best to clear my charts. I think right now this is what I can see. All these indicators are actually solid indicators. These are good indicators. So, right now, what this is telling me, a break of this trend line is telling us that this thing is going to continue going up, right? And then not only that, when you have a look at these indicators are actually also solid indicators. So they are also telling us that this thing is going to continue going up, right? Okay, cool. That's on the, I think this is 1 hour. No, yes, 1 hour time frame. So that's what's happening on a higher time frame. And then also these are obviously, I can't go back here and look for indicators because I don't have the premium version of TradingView. So right now, this is all I can work with. Okay, so it's 16:30 right now. So I'm gonna skip like going down time frames in order. I'm just gonna go to the 1 minute and look for confirmation in any direction and see what can I work with. Why is this happening? Okay, why is this happening now? Okay, so it looks like on the 1 minute there's no indicator. There's no clear indicator. That is, I think I can put this one here for now. Wait, let me do this. Sorry. I can put this one here for now. I can put that sell indicator there for now. Let's go. Sorry. I don't know what's happening to me right now. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame and have a look what's happening there. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. I think I can put this one over here. Okay, but I don't want to, because I don't see a pattern that's forming with those trend lines. So let's go to the 5 minute time frame and see what the 5 minute time frame is telling us. So the 5 minute time frame just gave us an indicator around here. So I can put that there. I can put that there. I was going to try to draw a square, but I don't see. I was going through my trading plan. And on average during the Mondays for the past, because I've been doing the trading plan for the past 5 weeks, and for 3 of those weeks, all those Mondays were just losses. So I don't know, bro. I'm really struggling to find what's the word that I'm looking for? Find a reason why I should be trading on Mondays. Because it seems like Mondays just don't work out. I don't know. But I don't need that negative energy right now. Right now, all I need. Oh, I did notice something. I'm bringing in good energy. I did notice something when I was looking at my trading view plan, and I seen that on Mondays, the reason why I mess up on Mondays is because I enter on weak trend line confirmations. That's what I noticed. So if I'm going to enter now, I need a very strong trend line indicator. Or if I'm going to go on a weak indicator, let's just see what happens, bro. Let me stop yapping and look for confirmation. Dude, why is time going by so fast? It's been 3 minutes. Bro, time flies. Okay. Yeah, like I'm saying to you guys, I'm really struggling to see. Um, I'm struggling right now to see. Let's go back to the 1 minute. I'm really struggling to see any trend that's forming. I'm really struggling, bruh, to see any type of trend that's forming right now. I can't see anything, bro. Okay, so if I'm not seeing anything on the 1 minute, let's do this then. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. Go to the 15-minute time frame. Oh yeah, also there's a gap here. There's a gap here. You see, there's a gap right here. So obviously this is gonna need to be filled. I just don't know when it's gonna be filled. We could try to do this right now. Yeah, let's look for confirmations down here. I'm gonna go to the 5 minute, and then let's do this. Let's look for confirmations around here. Let's look for confirmations around here. If I can get a confirmation here. Okay, this is tough. This is a confirmation. This is very tough. This is just continuing, because last week Friday we would have caught this upward momentum. Last week Friday we were on an uptrend, so we definitely would have caught this uptrend right now. Okay, I can draw this like this. Let me take it a bit higher. Do I need to take it higher again? Wait, let me draw it on my desktop. No, I don't need to take it any higher, apparently. Wait, no, that was the wrong trend line. That was the incorrect trend line. I'm gonna stretch it on my desktop, but it's still the same trend line. It's just that, you know, when it comes to like stretching trend lines and whatnot, my phone is not really the best. The phone is not really the best. Okay. Yeah. How that look? That looks good, right? So let me look for. Okay, we have an indicator confirmation here. It's a bit too far from here, so I'm not gonna put it there. How about we go to the 1 minute? Let's go to the 1 minute and have a look. Or should I go to the 1 minute on my desktop? No. Let me do it right here so I can do it with you guys. I don't think we're gonna find a trade today. Oh, okay, this looks good. We'll take this. We will take this. This looks good. By the way, guys, this strategy that I'm using, well, I really would like to believe that, honestly speaking, what I'm trading right now is more something I've created for myself. So, like I will say that this is something I really put a lot of energy into, and I'm trying my best to like polish it as close as I can. So this is more like focused on reading, your ability to read the indicators and what the indicators are telling you. The better you become at reading these indicators, the more you're exposed to seeing how these indicators perform and what happens when you see these indicators. It increases your probability of being able to range what is going to happen in the market. Because me personally, I don't think there's such a thing. I don't think anyone, bro, knows for 100% certain something is going to happen within the markets. So okay, that happened. This looks like a momentum swing. Very nice, but we're not looking for that right now. Right now, ideally, I'm looking for indicator confirmations. Ideally, bro. Ideally, if the more indicator confirmations I can get, the better, bro. Okay, it looks like we might get a sell indicator confirmation here. Based on what, bro? Based on what are you gonna enter the sell indicator based off? That's why let me continue. Let me continue doing what I was doing. Let me just continue doing what I was doing. I know what I'm gonna do after this. If I don't see any type of connection happening, okay, this is the, let's go to the 5 minute and see what we can get on the 5 minute TF. So on the 5 minute time frame, we had this indicator confirmation right there. Let me delete that one and then put it here. Right? I think I can put that there. And then let me move this trend line and put it like this. I can still do that. That looks good. That looks good. So look at this. So, okay, this looks good. This looks good. So the only time I will take a sell is if this trend line is broken. If this trend line gets broken, I will take the sell. But right now, I'm not seeing. Right now, the only thing I'm not seeing right now, the only thing I'm not seeing right now is a place to enter taking this thing up. That's the only thing I'm not seeing right now. So we could, I mean, we just got a confirmation right now to take this thing down. So we could try to early enter the sell and enter there, taking this thing down. Right? You could try to do that. Wait. Am I seeing a 3? If I'm seeing a 3, this would be insanely good. Okay, it's not. You see, had he at least here, if we had a sell confirmation somewhere, if we had a buy confirmation somewhere here, we would have drawn a 3, something like this. Let me show you guys what a 3 is. So this is a 3. A 3 is something like that. Change this to blue. All that color is also fine. I think there's also a YouTube video that I'm uploading right now. I don't know if it's dropped, but I was uploading it. So that's a 3, right? But the only thing that's missing here is one indicator confirmation. If we have a bullish indicator confirmation here, somewhere here, then we can look to get a 3. But I don't see another indicator somewhere here. I don't see another indicator somewhere there. Let me go to the 5 minute time frame. Let me go to the 5 minute time frame. I'm gonna keep this like this, bro. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. For now, I'm gonna keep this way. I'm gonna keep it like this. Although I feel like it's a bit of a stretch. It's a bit of a stretch, but I'll keep it like this. So I think what we can do right now, I'll keep it like this, and then, okay, I like what I'm seeing. So what I'm gonna do, we will wait for this thing to break above, find the indicator confirmation, let me draw it instead. I think if I draw it, it'll just make a bit more sense. So if we take this thing up, wait for that to form, and then wait. That looks bad. Okay, that's a bit better. Look for the brush. So if we're taking it up, we're looking for that to form. If we're taking this thing down, we're looking for this to form. Where's my brush? we're looking for that to form. And then also gotta be cautious that we have to have an indicator confirmation below this line, or we need a confirmation above that line. So right now that's what I'm waiting for. Right now this is what I'm waiting for. Let me move this. Okay, my finger's just fucking up with me right now. So I'm gonna move it on my desktop. Dude, why am I getting so much ads on my phone? Why am I getting so much ads? Like, I literally have my desktop open too, but I don't have that much ads on my damn phone, on my damn desktop, bro. But damn, my phone is just swamped with ads, bro. Or does it like know somehow that I'm streaming? Okay, that looks better. Let me also move this down a bit. Okay, this looks better. So you see, it was a good thing I didn't enter the cell here. It was a good thing I didn't enter the cell here, because I was about to, but I was like, you know what? I don't like entering positions just because of the 1630 confirmation. I think I learned the hard way that entering just because of a 1630 like confirmation, it's like, I don't know how to tell you guys, but it's not enough, bro. It's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. I need more reason, bro. I need more reason. And just entering just because there's a 60, there's just entering just because it's 1630 is not enough reason, bro. Unfortunately, just entering just because it's 1630 is not enough reason. So this is what we're waiting on right now. Right now, this is what we're waiting for. We are waiting for something to form around the drawing I just drew. Looks like it's going down again. That's also fine. It could go down, and the thing about it going down, it's gonna have a lot of momentum. It's really gonna have a lot. Whatever's about to happen right now, it's gonna have a lot of momentum, and I'm gonna show you guys why I'm saying it's gonna have a lot of momentum, because of the angle. You see, when I do this, notice the angle of this trend line. This trend line is very steep. So because of the angle of that trend line, whatever's going to happen here is going to have a lot of momentum. Whether it's going to go up or go down, I don't know. But whatever's going to happen is going to have a lot of momentum. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go 5 minutes. And just check if we still don't have a confirmation. No, we still don't have a confirmation. Let's go 1 minute. Alright. So right now, let's just monitor this. Right now, let's just monitor this for like the next few seconds. I think this week is gonna be a better week than last. I think this week might be my second best week, like all time trading. I have a good feeling about this week. I have a very I don't usually like I'm not a person who's like, I don't like this whole superstitious thing of like trying to manifest like bullshit and shit like that. It's just not me. But like obviously you want to protect your energy and things like that. That's also good. But anything that comes to like forcing your will on this earth, I'm not that type of a person. I don't fuck with shit like that. What is my point? I don't know what my point is, but oh yeah, I was just telling you that I think this week is gonna be a very good week. I think this week is gonna be a very, very good week. I think last week was very calm. We didn't see any hectic movements happening last week. I think this even this the gap that happened on market open. I think it just happened so drastically because of the lack of movement from the past week. That would be very interesting. Having, you see what it's doing here on the 1 minute. It wants to give us a confirmation, a bullish confirmation. If that does, the only thing it's going to do is going to confirm what I was drawing here. If it does give us a bullish confirmation, it'll just be confirming that. I wouldn't enter there though. I wouldn't enter there unless what? Nah, I wouldn't enter there. I don't think there's a lot of momentum that's gonna happen on the upward direction so early too. Because also consider, I think this is NFP weekend. I mean NFP week. So why would we have a lot of momentum pushing this thing up right now? You know, that's just how I feel. So I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. But I wouldn't enter taking this thing up right now. I'd really prefer to wait and see where this thing closes. Above or below this area of price. Above this or below this. If we get a confirmation there, then I'm more likely to enter. But I don't, especially after what I told you about Mondays and my knack of entering early on Mondays. I don't want to mess with entering early right now. So I'd rather wait. I would rather wait. I would rather wait for the confirmation and see which direction we can take this. It does look like it wants to go up though. I won't even hold you. You know what I'm thinking? While I wait for this, I'm gonna mark all the zones that just blew out, that moved with a lot of momentum. I'm gonna mark all those areas just to see how this thing is moving. Let's mark that. I think this is our first area. I'll show you guys later. Okay, so this has just been confirmed. I'm still marking all the highs that I can see here. I'm still just marking all the highs that I can see here. I'm gonna mark this one too. I'm gonna mark that one too. So right now, from what I can see, this is probably at the third phase. This is probably at the third phase of this bullish run. Probably. Did y'all hear that? Or was it just me? You see why I don't like entering early? Look at what's happening. Also, not just like why I don't like entering early. You see, this is exactly what I'm referring to when I say I don't like backtesting, bro. I really don't like backtesting. You see how this thing kept on switching and looking like it was gonna go up and going down. You don't see that when you're backtesting, bro. You don't see the emotion of how it's making you feel. You don't get the, oh, I was right. I shouldn't enter early here. I should just wait and follow my structure. You know, you don't get. You see now it looks like it's going up. Now I feel like, damn, why did I not take this entry right here? But when it was going down, I was literally like, damn, I did well and not enter this and take this thing up. So that's just my 2 cents on why I don't like backtesting, bro. Don't get me wrong, bro. It's not that I'm not practicing. This for me is practice. Like actively working and shit. I don't know how to freaking I don't know, man. Let's just be patient. Bro. If this thing goes up, we'll look for the re-entry somehow. I don't know how, but we'll look for the re-entry. But But it really does look like it's about to go up. But you all saw, man, like a second ago, it looked like it was about to go down. But one thing I'm dead ass, bro. I am dead ass not about to do one thing today, which is enter early or enter on a week trend line. Those two things I'm dead ass not about to do today, bro. Wait, I should probably write notes about this. Wait, where's mine? Oh. Also, I'm gonna. I don't know, y'all. You know, I'm thinking of doing something today. Wait. Things not. Wait, hold on. Let me take this one. Today is a good day. Things not to do. Right? Brackets, especially on Monday. Enter too early. Wait. Why is this thing? My desktop is in the 15-minute time frame. Gotta go. Today is a good day. Dun, 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 dun. Enter too early. That's the first thing I should never do. The second thing is, what's the second thing I should never do? Oh, enter at a week trend line. I really love how I kind of saw the 3 coming before it was actually even a 3. Yo, this week is gonna be a good week, bro. This week is gonna be such a great week, bro. This week is gonna be a good week, bro. Nah, this week is gonna be good, bro. This is gonna be a very good week. Nigga, switch this thing off. Dog, why is everything of mine just breaking these days? Everything of mine is just breaking. This week, my phone is getting messed up. Now my headsets are getting messed up. What is going on, bro? Sheesh, bro. Is that a sell indicator? No, it's not a sell indicator. It was very close to being one, though. I want to play music on my speakers. What's happening? Is it selling? But you. Yeah. Where are these headsets? I see. And I was literally about to go enter an upward trend. Dude, what's wrong with these speakers, bro? See what's happening now. Dude, what the hell, bro? What does it have? No internet connection. What's happening? Yo, guys, what is going on, bro? Things just have a knack of just going wrong at the worst time, bro. Things really have a knack of going wrong at the worst possible time. Okay, is it working now? Yo, is this thing working? I don't have stream opened up on my desktop, so I don't really know. Wait, hold on. Okay, I think we're back. I think we should be back. I don't know why this thing keeps saying no connectivity, but we should be back. Nigga, why are you saying no connectivity, bro? Because this thing is working. Again? Okay, why doesn't my chart want to work now? What's going on? Bro, what is actually going on, bro? You know what? Let me do this. Okay, so we back. Okay, this is good. This is good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Seems like we might get another bullish confirmation. Bruh, nigga, I just restarted you, bro. Why are you not connecting? Yes. We just got another sell indicator, but it's going against our trade. So this is a perfect thing. This is a perfect thing. Perfect thing. So remember what I said, what we're waiting for? We are waiting for We are waiting for a sell indicator below here, or a buy indicator above this price. That's what we are waiting for. Okay, now what, bro? Sheesh, this thing, bro. This thing don't know what it's doing, bro. I don't know what this thing is doing. You see, like, I was literally about to put in a sell indicator right here. I was about to say, you know what, let's go negative of this and enter a sell trade. I'm glad I didn't, though. So I'm still waiting. Still waiting, bro. I'm still waiting. See, now it looks like it's going back down again. One thing I can definitely say for sure is market is definitely reacting to these indicators. Look, there was a sell indicator here. I mean, there was a buy indicator and it bought. There was a buy indicator, it bought. Sell indicator, it sold. Sell indicator, it sold. Buy indicator somewhere down there and it bought. So market is definitely reacting to these indicators. Definitely reacting. You kidding me, bro? Patience, bro. Patience, bro. Patience, bro. See, we're about to get another sell indicator. I'm still not gonna enter on this sell indicator though. Yes. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. But today seemed kinda odd. No barking from the dogs, no storm. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but seemed kinda odd. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. Copyright! Ah! Why is YouTube like this, bro? In the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs, no stall. And mama cooked the breakfast with no home. I got the dog on and get the bag out. Finally got a call from a girl. Got the bag out. Okay, no, that's it, bro. That's it. I'm sorry. Ah. This trade gotta give me my money. This trade gotta give me my money. This trade gotta give me my money. This trade has to give me my money, bro. Give me my money, bro. Give me my money. This trade has to give me my money, bruh. Bruh. This trade better give me my money, bruh. ain't even gonna hold you, nigga. I ain't even gonna hold you, nigga. That bitch got better. This bitch, nigga. Huh? Nigga. This thing is literally playing within the 3, bro. Notice that. It's literally playing within this shape. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Interesting. I'm just being patient, bro. You know, usually after setting up a trade, I wait for the first trade and see how the first trade reacts. So right now, I don't think I'm gonna wait for all of that. I don't think I'm gonna wait for all of that right now. Don't think I'm gonna wait for all that right now. Right now, I just need a confirmation, bro. I just need a confirmation. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Just give me a confirmation. Just give me a confirmation, my dude. I got my grub on. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seemed kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seemed kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. 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 Barking from the dogs. No barking from the dogs. Barking from the dogs. Barking from the dogs. Barking, barking, barking from the dogs. Barking from the barking from the dogs. Barking from the dogs. This could have been an indicator confirmation. This right here, this piece, it should have been an indicator confirmation. In fact, I think I'm gonna mark it and then I'm gonna change its color to, what color should I make it? Let me make it like a light gray, because I'm gonna study it. I'm gonna study the presence of this nigga. You see how we have 2 bars, 1, 2, then this is light, then this one is green, then it starts selling. So I'm gonna study the occurrence of this indicator. I'm gonna study the occurrence of that indicator right there, because I think that should have been a sell indicator. I really think that should have been a sell indicator. So like I said, right, I was really tempted to go enter and say buy here. I ain't even gonna hold you. I was really tempted, especially considering the fact that this market looks like it's going up. I was 100% tempted on entering and taking this thing long. But I won't do that anymore because I know better, nigga. Yes, nigga, I know better. So I'm not gonna do that no more. I like these indicators though. They're at the right place, bro. They're at the right place. They're not too far off. They're not too closed in. They're at the right place. I like this. These indicators are giving me. They're giving me something, bro. They're giving me something, bro. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank a God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. I got my grub on. I got a crash out. Just waking up in the morning, I gotta thank a God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. Barking from the dogs. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. Barking from the dogs. No barking from the dogs. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. No barking from the dogs. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. Yo, there's someone at the gate, so I have to go check. I'll be back in a second. Nah, hold on, nigga, I'm busy. Someone will check, not me. I'm busy, nigga. Okay, put that there. I'll put that there. But that's not what I'm looking for. Like I said, I'm looking for this right here to happen. Break, sell indicator, take that. This is a bullish indicator. It's not what I'm looking for right now. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. No barking from the dogs. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dogs. Yes. 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 Yeah. 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 We're about to get an indicator confirmation. This is tough. This is tough. We're about to get an indicator confirmation. This is tough, bro. We are about to get an indicator confirmation. Yes. Yes. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Wait, let me do this. We are about to get an indicator confirmation. Very tricky because on the 5-minute time frame, it looks like this thing is about to go up. I just want to make sure that it's not above. I just want to make sure it's not below. That that line. So why is this one not updating? I don't know why this one is not updating, but I did fix it on my desktop. I got my grub on. I'm even holding that indicator confirmation, bruh. Even holding this indicator confirmation. Because the minute this motherfucker gives us an indicator confirmation, we're entering this bitch. Yeah, dude. The minute this nigga gives us an indicator confirmation, we are entering. So I don't know why here this line is not updating, but I did fix this line on my desktop. I don't know why on my phone it's not updating, but on the desktop it looks fine. So I would try to, let me do this. Maybe it'll update then. Okay, still no, nothing. Okay, that's fine. Uh-oh, what did I do? Okay. I don't know why it doesn't want to update on my phone, but if this thing goes above, I'll have to look for a bullish indicator. If it goes above this line, there's a line that I drew on my, let me show you guys. Because I don't know what's wrong with my desktop, bruh. Don't know why this thing won't. Update. You see that? So as long as our confirmation is below that purple line, we're still safe. As long as our confirmation, oh yes, bitch, yes, sell. Dog, if this thing is selling, bro, we are going for that gap. If this thing is selling, we are going for that gap, bro. We are going for that gap. If it's selling, we are definitely going for that gap. 100% going for that gap. So today, there's no excuses. This is a strong trend line. This is a strong 3. This is a good 3, bro. We waited. We didn't enter early. So we have no reason to be losing this trade at all. No reason, absolutely no damn reason to be losing this trade. I think if I were to rank this setup would really be an A setup, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is an A setup. This is a good setup, bro. Okay, let's take this trade. Let's take this thing down. That's our confirmation. Let's take this thing down. I'm gonna increase this on my desktop because my fingers are too big for my screen. I'm gonna say 8 points. We are taking this thing down. You know what, bro? I'm just gonna send my thingy on. I'm gonna use my desktop and share on Reddit. Where's that gap? I want that gap. I want that gap. We are going to that gap, bro. So that gap is like somewhere here, right? So let's bring this all the way down there to that gap. So this is far from a, yeah, I think it's somewhere there. I think that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna share this on Reddit in a minute. I'm gonna share this on Reddit in a second. Let me just take a picture, download. And then I'm gonna share it on Reddit. Yo guys, don't forget to join the Reddit. Yeah, let me post this on Reddit. So I will see you guys tomorrow.